What is the best Facebook ad for you to run as a beginner? Facebook ads can be really overwhelming when you're just starting out. With so many campaign options, budgets, and ad types to choose from, it can be wildly overwhelming. So in today's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to make it simple. And by the end of this, you're going to know the exact best ad to run to start making money as fast as possible. Before we dive in, I just want to say thank you for all of your support. These 5-Minute Friday videos have been blowing up the channel. So if you like this video, go ahead and like this video. If we get 100 likes on this video, I'll do a follow-up where I will share my screen and show every step of the way about what we're going to talk about today. If you have any questions on anything we talk about today, feel free to drop them into the comment section or show up to our weekly lives every Friday at 12 Pacific Standard Time. And before we put the time on the clock, remember, if you love this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Apparently, only 35% of you who binge this channel are actually subscribed. So let's fix that. That being said, let's put 5 minutes on the clock and get started. Your best Facebook ad completely depends on what your business does well already. Let's break it down into 3 different categories. You might be a brand that makes amazing content. Your reels blow up, your TikTok is always viral, and your YouTube channel is constantly getting new subscribers. That's incredible and a really great strength. That's version number 1 of what we can build on. The second type of business here is one that has a lot of products. Your SKU count is high, meaning you might have 20 or 2,000 different kinds of things to sell. That is also a really big strength and very important for us to know, especially if you don't have a hero product. And the third category of brands we're going to talk about today are the ones that are just starting out and trying to build their business. You don't necessarily have a lot of content that's always going viral. You don't necessarily have a lot of different product and offers. You just know that something's working and you're ready to invest in making it a lot better. All right, I got you. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about the content-rich brand. The best bet for you in starting to run your first Facebook ads is to look into an advantage shopping campaign. These campaigns specialize in showing your products to the people who are ready to buy what it is that you're selling.
I'd buy that for $1.
So for these campaigns, just use the content that's already working, the content that's going viral, the things that are getting likes and comments and shares, because that is really good at getting attention. You're going to have the best sales pitch. The downside of this campaign is that your ads will fatigue very quickly, meaning the ad that's great today might not work tomorrow and almost assuredly won't work next week. But because you can make content, you don't need to worry about that nearly as much. So this is a great way to weaponize your strength to make sales and profit right away.
Money!
Also, if you want to know what to set your budgets to on this great new campaign, I created a great video for you to dive into that'll break that entirely down. Check it out right on top of the screen. So second, let's talk about the product-rich brands. If you have a lot of products but no single hero item, perhaps you're a clothing business with a lot of different fun prints, or you sell something with a lot of flavors or colors or sizes, the best option for you is probably going to be a catalog ad. Now, in catalog ads, we really have 2 choices. You can start off with an advantage shopping catalog ad that'll just show people a product image of what you sell. Or you can go into a manual sales campaign with a catalog and really let the machine start to do prospecting and retargeting for you with both a DABA and a 10K audience. For instance, if 10,000 people have been to your website in, say, the last month and viewed products, or maybe in the last week you have 10,000 add to carts, whatever your situation is, this is a great place to start. Leveraging all of your products and letting the machine show what you sell best to the people that are looking to buy that thing right now is a great way to make money, and this is super easy to manage. Now, for the third group of people, those new businesses, for you, it's probably going to be starting to promote your Instagram posts. If you're just starting out and trying to build a brand, focus on your organic content. And it doesn't have to be trendy. It doesn't have to be you dancing in front of some fun music. It doesn't have to be attention grabbing. You can focus on the things that are honest about your business. And it's really easy for you to make this style of content. You don't need to worry about this content being viral. You just want to send people to your Instagram account. It's basically a light version of your webpage.
You've got mail.
We want your ads to just drive people to your Instagram account, meaning your ad doesn't have to have a call to action in it. It doesn't have to be comment below for some link or go to my website or link in bio or anything else. Just talk about your products. Just talk about your services. Just talk about why somebody should care about you and what you're doing to make their life better. That's what really matters. As Seth Godin once said, if Nike built a hotel, you would know exactly what it was going to be like. But if Hyatt built a sneaker, you would have no idea at all. The point is, just be yourself. Build a brand, and the revenue will follow. If none of these paths feel okay, by the way, that's all right. Maybe social media isn't right for you. This is by no means the only way of making a buck. You might be much better at influencer marketing or Google search or email marketing or affiliates. There's a lot of ways to make money. And social media is not the best choice for everybody. That's okay. Now, I know the timer's almost done, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll leave you with this. Remember, focus on amplifying your strengths. Do the things that you do well and spend money behind that, and that will make success a lot easier to achieve. And once again, if you like this video, please hit like on the video. If we get 100 likes on this, I'll do an in-depth guide around each one of these style of campaigns just for you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything else. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet.